Good evening. We begin tonight with more from the arrest of federal judge Patti Minaldi. Late this afternoon, police made a big decision in the investigation. KPLC's Jaron Jordan is live outside of police headquarters with the details.
Cynthia, the Lake Charles police now say their investigation into an alcohol-related traffic stop involving federal judge Patti Minaldi is complete. In addition to an open container citation, police say she will be charged with first offense DWI. Now, the police have also granted our request for dash cam video of the traffic stop, and what it shows may be the reason that additional charge was brought. By the time this patrol car arrives to Judge Patti Minaldi's house on Fairway Drive in South Lake Charles, police have already established the reason she was stopped.
When I finally saw you driving, you were driving extremely recklessly. I saw you cross the solid line several times.
The officer says his observation is that Minaldi is incapable of operating a vehicle and asks if she can step out of the car so he can administer a field sobriety test.
No, I'm not going to do that.
Okay, well, I need you to step out the car anyway then.
No, I'm not going to do that.
Okay, you can refuse a field sobriety test, but I still need you to step out of the car then.
No.
Despite a number of repeated attempts to get Minaldi to get out of her car, her answer never changes.
Now, Mrs. Minaldi, would you please get out of your car?
Judge.
Sorry, Judge Minaldi, would you please get out of your vehicle?
No.
My supervisor asked you to get out of the car. Will you get out for him? You're not going to get out for him either?
No.
Now I'm ordering you to get out of your vehicle.
Just order me.
Yes, ma'am, I can. Get out of your car. Get out of your vehicle.
I am in my own property.
That's correct, because you refused to pull over until you got here.
After 19 minutes,
I'm going to place you in an escort position and remove you from your vehicle now, okay?
the officer places her under arrest.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer.
Do you think I know that?
While searching the car, officers find a cup of liquid.
Is that white wine?
I have no idea.
You don't know what that is?
Yeah.
Smells like white wine to me.
En route to police headquarters, Minaldi is heard asking for other police officials.
I didn't hear who you asked to contact. Our supervisor, Sergeant Chaddock, was on scene, and that will be his call because Deputy Chief Krause is currently on vacation.
When police get to central headquarters, audio from the still rolling dash cam captures the arresting officer unsure about what's happening next.
What are they doing? What are they doing? Why? Why?
Minaldi was issued an open container citation and released. And we tried to reach out to Judge Minaldi tonight for comment, but we were unsuccessful in reaching her. Louisiana law states that a first offense DWI is a misdemeanor. If convicted, anyone can face from 10 days to 6 months in jail and up to $1,000 in fines. Now, usually in cases like this, a first offense DWI means a misdemeanor probation, a suspended jail sentence, or a pretrial diversion program. Now, in that video, you saw Judge Minaldi refuse to take a field sobriety test. Under the law, when someone refuses to take a field sobriety test, they can have their license suspended for 6 months. Now, the next step in this process will be arraignment at city court. We have not received word yet on whether or not that has happened. That's where Judge Minaldi will enter a plea, and just like others accused, she is presumed innocent until proven otherwise. At your service, live outside of Lake Charles Police Headquarters, Jaron Jordan, KPLC 7 News.